still standing here, waiting for my hand. Hope she will come.
So those are the motor mounts or the frame mounts. And I guess one of the main things is just to make sure that you measure from here to here and make sure that it's the same measure from the front to the back. You want those aligned, and that's pretty straightforward to do. All you have to do is just grab a tape measure and take a measurement, and I'll show you how to do that real quick. So you just grab the tape measure and you measure from that center from here to here, and I got 16 and a half. And then I do the same thing from the other side. And I got 16 and a half again. So it looks like they're positioned well. And now it's time to drop the motor in. Well, it turns out that I might have a problem with some hood clearance, and because of that, I might need the LS1 intake or lower intake. This is a 5.3 from a truck, so the only way I could make the LS1 intake fit was if I remove the pulley that used to sit right here, and of course bend that neck. So what I did, I took the front end apart, I cut this support here and removed the pulley, and this is how it used to look. So the bracket was sitting right there, and this pulley used to be right there. So I removed all that. So I chopped that out with a grinder. I moved the pulley over here. I cleaned that up a little bit. Put a longer bolt, and I just had some pipe that I had been using from building the motor mounts that I made, and I used this pipe to extend the pulley. So push it a little bit further up, and threw a bolt in there, and now I got the pulley set up. good? Hey, baby. Somebody knocked at the door? Let me check.
Wait, no, because no, it's not.
What are you doing with the cat? I saw that was about to happen and it went into the Brett. I should have stopped it right before I happened. There we go. Ooh, it's gonna be a little bit tight over here. It's gonna be a little bit tight with these transmissions in the way, but let's see if we can get this going.
I'm still standing here, waiting for my honey. Hope she will come for having much fun, but she's not here, so I drink another beer to show it all away. Oh yeah, beer after beer, I'm still standing here. Hope that the one that my Mary will come, but she's not here, so I drink another beer to show it all away. Oh yeah. Oh hey, what's that? It's but she's not here, so I drink another beer to show it all away. Oh yeah, but she's not here really, so I drink another beer